fresco.
Uncle Wallace was recorded in front of a live studio audience. Sight.
Hey kiddos, good to see you again. Uncle Wallace was kinda worried about you there for a moment. Well, since you're here, I know you're hungry. Let's cook this shoulder steak up real quick. We gonna grab us something to cut this up on and hold on. Okay. Did you see what I just did? You want to get all that white shit from the inside of the peppers. Nobody wants to eat that as you begin to chop them hot ass peppers up. Don't forget to rinse them off before you include them into your meal. That's important. Anyway, I got these beautiful vegetables from the local food buddy. I had to use my platinum rewards card. I got a discount, 2 for 1. That way, I was able to get all the colors. As you see, we cut our peppers real big so they can look like the meals on TV. Okay, go and grab you a big bowl and gather up all your peppers and set them to the side. You gonna need them later on. For now, clean your work area off, cause you're gonna be cooking now. Turn your hot plate on full. Now, we can begin to put our steaks on that hot ass pan. Go ahead, put you some salt, some pepper, and some garlic powder, whatever you wanna put on that onion powder, whatever. Then add your vegetables. As you begin to add them hot ass vegetables, make sure you keep that pan covered up. You don't want nothing flying on top of it. That's important. And okay, let's just God damn it. Now let's try that again. Look at that. Beautiful. A work of art. But it's not done yet. We still gotta rearrange these vegetables on top of here and add us just a little bit of butter. I'm not gonna tell you what the butter gonna do. Well, I dare tell you what the butter gonna do. The butter adds flavor. Uncle Wallace loves flavor. Now we're gonna continue to sear our steaks and make sure they get them just a crispy little outside of it. You don't wanna cook them too much so they'll be dry. Just make sure you stay within the temperature threshold. Now, look at that. Beautiful. Adding something like a Caesar salad to it adds spunk to your meal. For a suggestion. Like what you see? Well, go and hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel, and while you're at it, push that notification bell so you'll know when Uncle Wallace about to cook something delicious.
I know you ain't going to my kitchen without washing your hands.
I told you you'd be ready soon.